Alright, now we have to 3D print this object. How do we do that? Well, this one, let's look at how it's constructed. We could, in fact, go like this and print this one. That would print rather nice that way. So I'll make a duplicate and put it over there. This one, however, would not work. So what we have to do is split this one down the center and glue it back together. Okay? In order to do that, I grab a cube and I make it the same size, if a little bit more than the object. And if you ever made a mold in your life, had the privilege of making molds, I made a lot of molds in my time, you will know this process very well. Okay, so it doesn't have to be exact. It could be here, here, it doesn't matter. I'm just choosing the center, eyeballing it. Okay, next let's take this one, get into components, highlight a single component, and go mesh, snap, cursor to selected. And then tab. Now let's go object, transform, origin to 3D cursor. So now what I have is the origin directly on a vertex. Let's duplicate the box and do that again to the other side. This time, mesh, snap, cursor to selected, tab, object, transform, origin to 3D cursor. Alright, so we know the location of this one. In X, it is 62.78. Copy that, and let's do that here. We'll paste it here. And look at that. They are perfectly on top of each other. Alright, so what I need to do is copy this hot mess. And we'll go like this. And for this side I need to delete it. And for this side I need to delete it. So what do? Well, we use this as a cutter. So we got this one, cylinder 2, cube 1. Boolean, difference, cube 1, and apply. So now, look at that, perfectly cut. Let's do that to down here. Cylinder 4, cube 3. Boolean, difference, cube 3. And essentially we have now cut the model in half. So now what we could do is lay it out like this. 0. 180. Now what you want to do is print these together, the whole hot mess together. So this video is going to be labeled how to split up a model. The next video is how to lay out a model flat. So let's go to that one.